Why fear is important for business growth. Hello, my name is Greta Berishite, and on my channel I share proven life and business strategies that help you become the best version of yourself and live your ultimate happy life. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. Do you ever feel like, well, starting a business is so scary? What if I fail? What if things go wrong? Well, guys, what if I told you that fear and uncertainty makes us grow and succeed, and that it is a very important part of business? But how? How could fear be possibly good? Guys, nothing creative happens in a comfort zone. We create when we start to fear, when we start to feel uncertainty with something that we love. And with something that we love is the important part. But I will get back to that part in a bit. Yet, just before I go further, please comment below. Do you actually love the business that you're starting? So guys, for example, my business is always upgrading when I start to feel uncertainty, when I start to feel it's slowing down or something else is not working up to speed. This is when I get obsessed with creativity. This is when I don't leave the house for 2 weeks and work 18 hours a day to find the solution to make it grow. I might look like a zombie and a totally crazy person to some people, but I get so obsessed by looking for those solutions, and guess what? When you look for things, you find things. You might ask, but Greta, working 18 hours a day for a week, how do you get the energy? Why don't you go out? Well, first, I prioritize. Having a successful business is a massive responsibility to yourself and to others. Second, if I'm going out when my business is facing uncertainty, do you think I will enjoy the night? Or will I think, what the hell am I doing here? This is such a waste of time. When you have a business that you love, guys, you will have to sacrifice in order to achieve success. Guys, please watch my video 4 steps to success if you want to achieve it. I will link it right here and down in the description box. But how can you get the energy to work 18 hours a day when facing uncertainty? Because you get the adrenaline from uncertainty. It makes you laser focus. It makes you cut everything out and focus only on what you need to do. It's a little bit like if you lose a job and don't have enough savings to live. I'm pretty sure majority of us will be up all day and all night until you find another job. Fear makes you create and up your level, but you will only create and up your level if you love what you do. If you love what you do from the bottom of your heart. If you do not love it, you're not gonna be looking for those solutions until you find them. Instead, you will look for excuses to give up. Now, you know exactly why fear is important in your business growth, but do you know how to start a business? Lucky for you, I have made a video how to start a business even if you're broke, which you can find just by following the link right here and down in the description box. If you also would like to join a community who want to live their lives by being the best version of themselves, in their personal and business lives, I have created a free Facebook group which is called High Value Mindset, and you can find the link to that group down in the description box. If you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it if you know someone that needs it, and comment below with helpful if this video has been helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Kisses from London. Mwah.